Exercise 11, question number 1. This is A, and we need A plus C. Now, this C is here. Now I want to draw a similar vector, same equal vector. So same length, same direction. So I can, what is the best place to write? It is here or here, the right place to draw. It is at the end of the A. Then this is the starting point of C. So I will draw same length. So this is and same direction. So those two are parallel, and this is C. I didn't drag this one to here. I create an equal vector. Now I need a triangle to complete triangle law. So this is the starting point, this is the end point. So I will complete triangle now. Now this is A plus C. The part B minus B. So minus B from here to here. So I don't need to delete this one. You erase. I will draw a similar vector. Or this is not right. This is not parallel. So yeah, those two are parallel, and the length, yes, same length. Now I need minus B. So B is this direction, then the minus B is opposite direction. The important thing is you can take to anywhere minus B, but it has to be the same length and the opposite direction to become minus B. The other one is C, which is C minus D. So I will draw, okay, this is D. What is minus D? Minus D means same length, the opposite direction. So this is minus D. Now first of all I draw C. This is C. Is this parallel? Yes. And then minus D. At the end of C, I will write minus D. Now this is wrong. Why? This one and this one is not parallel. So it has to be parallel when I think it's parallel now. Nearly parallel. No. Yeah. So it is parallel now, those two, this one and this one. How about the size? Bit extend. So now this is minus D. This is minus D. Now this is the starting point. This is the end point. So from the triangle, now this one is C plus minus D, which is C minus D. Or D, B plus C plus D. So at the end of the B, starting C, at the end of the C, starting D. So I draw those two are parallel and the same size B, and another equal. So this is C and this is C. So those two are parallel and the same length, and this is D. This one and this one should be parallel. One and one. Same length. Yeah, it is same length and they are parallel. So this one and this one are equal vectors. I can draw lot of equal vectors. So this is not parallel, like this same length everywhere in my board. So this is one. This is C. Now this is the starting point, this is the end point, right? Final. B plus C plus D. Now sometime you may think that where's the uh, triangle to apply triangle law. So we can consider those two together and we can finish this one. This is starting, this is ending. So this is going to be B plus C. Then this one and this one. So B plus C and D. B plus D. Instead of that, we can straight way go B plus C plus D. Now I want to make 2C plus D. So first of all, 1C. Right. Equal one. Uh, another equal. So distance is, I'll make it smaller to match with this one. Another equal vector for C. So two equal vectors I create. So this is the main one. And so this is 2C. C and C. So I can simply write this is what? 2C. And how many days you want? I'll make it smaller. So 3 days. One. So one day. And another equal vector. And another equal vector to D. Three equal vectors together. So this is, instead of D plus D plus D, I will write 3D. Now this is the starting point, this is the end point. So then so this is 2C plus 3D. I use too many arrows because to give a clear idea, but usually we draw with the one arrow because I want to show that the parallelity. So this one is parallel to this one. This one is parallel to, sorry, this one is parallel to this one. So this is A minus 2B. I do a similar vector here, A, same size and same direction, and 2B, minus 2B. So this is B and it's small actually, minus 2B. So this is 1B. So minus B is this side. This has to be parallel, same size. This is minus B. So I'll bring into here. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Sorry, I'm struggling to draw a parallel line. Are they parallel, this one and this one? Yes, look like parallel. So this is minus B and another minus B. This is minus B and another one. So this is minus b and minus b. It's going to be minus 2b. Now this is the one. A minus 2b. When you draw, everybody should have the same angle. Everybody should have in your class should have the same angle, same size, angle size. So this is A plus B plus C plus D. So this is A. I draw parallel to this one, and I draw parallel to this one at the end of the. So this is B and C parallel to this one, same size. And D parallel to same size. Now this is the starting and this is the ending. So this is the final vector. This vector is A plus B plus C plus D. Question number 2. ACGI is a square. And B is midpoint of AC, so this is midpoint, and those are midpoint. Midpoint means this length is equal to this length, and I'm not going to write 2 because it's a square. Then this length should be equal to this. That's why I put one line, and then F and D also midpoint. It means so this is F and this is D. Midpoint mean so this is equal to this one, but I'll put just one because they all are same size. Now I can see this vector from here to here. So this is B and H. This vector is B and this vector is A. Now my question is, so equal vectors. What is the equal vectors mean? Same length or same magnitude and the same direction. Uh, right, let's start. First of all, I like to consider ADN BE line segment. When we consider AD and BE line segment, we know AD equal BE because this is a square and the midpoint also, and this is a square as well. Simply AD equal BE, and we know this is AD parallel to BE. Then also I know AD is vector A. Can I write BE as vector A? I can't bold this one, so for some time I put this symbol. Yes, we can write as vector A. So basically B to E we can write as vector A. It means this is also A. Now I have to write this whole setup to each and every one. Instead of doing one by one. So I'm going to write everything in one step. So AD and B line segment. Right. Consider AD B. What is the other one? BE. So I'm going to write all the A's. I can see these all are A's. AD, BE, CF, FG, EH, DI line segment. Now we can say that these all are equal. AD equal, BE equal, CF equal, FG equal, EH equal, DI equal. They all are equal. Also you can see AD is parallel to BE, and that is parallel to CF, parallel to FG, parallel to EH, and parallel to DI. So they are parallel each other. Or we'll write like this. AD is parallel to BE. Again, AD is parallel to CF, and AD is parallel to, this is the best way of writing this one. AD is parallel to FG, and AD is parallel to, because we working with AD, AD is parallel to EH, and AD is parallel to DI. Hence, this AD equal, BE equal, CF equal, FG equal, EH equal, DI equal vector A. They all are A. You can't simply put A, then same as AB. So now we can write this all are also B. Same as AB equal, BC equal, uh, EF equal, DE equal, HG equal, IH. These are all this direction. IH is B. Now let's start the questions. So I gave the reasons why I write A and B over there. Now question number 1. A, we need to find AC. AC is AB plus BC, which is B plus B to B. So just now I see that this is not A, this is D. Let's change to D. So they all are D now. So what is BE? Now B is simply D because we gave the reason for. But if you want, still you want to write the answer, you can write so BE, and yeah, it is D. We discussed actually this one. consider AD and BE line segment, then AD equal to BE, AD parallel to BE, hence BE equal AD equal A. That is good. Everything we did in one, but that's fine. Now see HG. HG also B. If you want to write one, so consider AB and HG line segment. Then you are writing AB equal to HG. You want to write the reason actually. You want to write the reason, okay. And AB parallel to HG. Hence HG equal AB equal B. Now DF. I circle this A, B, C, D because I can easily see that D, F. DF equal DE plus EF. So D is B and EF is B, that is going to be 2B. So A is AD plus DE. AD is D, DE is B, so AE is D plus B. By triangle law. Listen for this one. D and EF are parallel and equal length. LENGT. So DH means the root is DI plus IH. So this is D plus B. F G H B H E plus E B. This is D plus H E. EH is D, HG is minus D, plus again EH is minus D, minus 2D. So this is, you can tell same length, opposite direction. So you can see FE is B, EF is B, FA is, it has to be minus B. So parallel and opposite direction. So next one is AH. We can count so many roads. We have 3 roads. We'll write all the routes, but we don't need to. So AH equal, I can write, I will go with this road. AD plus DI plus IH. So this is D plus D plus B. 2D plus B. Again AH you can go AB plus BE plus EF. AB is B plus BE and E for D. B plus 2D. Answer has to be the same. And AH. Again AH. You can go AD this route and DE and EH. So this is going to be D plus B plus A. Still D plus B plus D. 2D plus B. J B I. B I. So B I. You can so many ways. I will use this one. B A plus A D plus D I. B A mean minus B plus D plus D. Minus B plus 2D mean 2D minus B. The J is EI. Now you can look at from the book. EI mean you can write ED plus DI. So ED is minus B and DI is D. So this is D minus B. And the other last one, FB you can write you can select any root, but I also select this one. FB mean FE plus EB. Then FE mean minus B and EB mean plus minus D. So minus B minus D. Question number 3. This is a parallelogram. I rewrite it. The first question is, okay, first of all, as usual, we'll write consider. So now I know this is P, and this is P, this is P, this is P, and this one P, and this one P. Likewise, you know now this is M, this is M, this is M, they all are M, but we have to write this one. Consider what we are going to consider. OP line segment, OP, then MD, then AQ, and then QC, and DN, and FB. What you can tell about this line segment? They are equal. OF, because they are midpoints, they are all equal. OF equal, MD equal, AQ equal, QC equal, DN equal, FB. And they are parallel as well. OF parallel to MD. Again, OF parallel to AQ. Again, OF parallel to QC. Again, OF parallel to DN. Again, OF parallel to FP. Hence, OF equal MD equal AQ equal QC equal DN equal FE FB equal P. So they all are P now. Same as OM is M, they all M now. Same as OM, MA, FD, DQ, BN, and NC are M. Now we'll approach the question. R A O A. So O A means O M plus M A, that is M plus M 2M. Actually, I forgot to show that this length and this length equal. We wrote about it, so I will show as well with the line. Now this one, it is going to be double line because it is a different width from here. Right, so they all are parallelogram. Right, we'll back to the next one. B E B. Sorry, it is O B. O B is O F plus F B. That is P plus P 2P. This is C H G. Uh, BN is M. D DQ is M. OD. The next one, the OD is OF plus FD. That is P plus M. Or also you have another root OD. You can go OM plus MD. That is M plus P. Both same. E F MQ MQ. You can go MD plus DQ, which is P plus M. For MQ again, you can go MA plus AQ, that is M plus P. When I see this one and both OD, so I realize the associative law. I think yes. In A plus B equal B plus A law, we can write 3 plus 4 equal 4 plus 3. In vectors also we can write. The proof is given by like this. So because this is a parallelogram, um, and hence MQ is P plus M, and MQ is M plus P. Hence, what is the conclusion? P plus M makes M plus P. So vectors are associative. Sorry, it's not associative. It is that is commutative. So vectors also commutative. So the proof is usually given by the parallelogram. So we are going, if this is A and B, this is A and B, we are going from this direction, A plus B. And this is B, this is B. So we are going from this direction, that is B plus A. So A plus B equal B plus C. Vectors are commutative. Next one is OQ. OQ means OF plus fd plus dq. You can find other roots. I'm not going to write that. M plus m. So p plus 2m. P plus 2m. AD equal, you can come this way or this root. So AD equal AQ plus QD. AQ is P and QD is minus M. So P minus M. CD plus CD. So CD you can write CN plus ND. So CN mean minus M and ND mean minus P. So that is minus M minus P. I think this is P. I use as F. Now I need to find AP. AP. So okay, I'll write as according to my one, that is AF, or you can stay with AP. For the time being, I'll use this point as P. Then AP is AM plus MO plus OP. So AM is minus M, MO is minus M again, and OP is P. So this is minus 2M plus P. So P minus 2M. Now you can look at from the book. BM you want to find. BM mean BP plus PO plus OM. So BP is minus P plus PO is minus P again, and OM is M. So this is minus 2P plus M. M minus 2. Yeah, I think we did this one. And then I NO. NO you can write NB plus BP plus PO. So you can use any root. So I selected this one. This is minus M and this is minus P and this is also minus P. It means minus M minus P minus P minus M minus 2P.